Due to some technical issues experienced during the P4YF presentation at Edu Fair, we were unable to demonstrate the full functionality of the system. This short video will show how the system is intended to function. The system has been tested on Windows 7 operating systems with the following browsers: Internet Explorer 7, 8 and 9, Google Chrome and Firefox. The only known issue is a display issue with Firefox in the wiki, my PDP, whereby some of the tables do not display correctly when edit is selected. This is something we are working to fix. It has also been tested using Mac OS X Leopard with Firefox and Safari with no known issues. The P4YF system is split into two distinct parts: the website and the private journal, the wiki. It will be available through the My Learning module on Succeed. This is a module that all students have access to, and regardless of whether they have signed up for a credit-bearing module, they will still be able to use the system if they wish. Currently we have set up a pilot module space called P4YF Pilot. What we see on screen at the moment is the website part of the system. The various stages that students are expected to complete are listed in the links at the top. The initial page includes a welcome video with a little bit of information about P4YF. Incidentally, all the videos have been added to a YouTube channel, P4YF Stir Uni. And as new videos are created, they will be added to the channel. The panel to the right of the screen has links to each of the domains. From here, students can find out a little more about the domain. Underneath the domains is a panel with help videos. Currently, there's only one help video. However, the intention is to provide help videos for each section and eventually a help page with a list of all the videos available. Scrolling down the page, you will see a small animated wheel showing the 4 stages that students are required to complete. This still needs a little more work. However, the idea being that students can select a heading and then they will be shown a video with more information about that particular stage. The Skills Audit section includes an initial page with some information and a video. It includes links to each of the skills audits. The academic and employability skills audits are both in the same format. The personal skills audit directs the student to the Career Development Centre psychometric test page. To show an example of how the students may use the skills audit, click on Academic. The students are expected to work through the form, scoring themselves from 1 to 3, stating how much they think they are like each statement. The form includes several sections, and once they have been completed, click Submit and the results are calculated for each section. The results table also adds in the date that the form was completed. The next part is perhaps not as slick as we would like. Currently, we cannot automatically send the results to the PDP and Campus Pack. However, we've tried to make this as easy as possible for the student. So the next click Copy. They are then shown this page which directs them to their PDP and also includes a video explaining what to do next. Storing the results is fairly straightforward. Clicking on My PDP takes the student through to the results. They can then navigate to the Skills Audit section for Academic. Click Edit and they can paste the results into the table provided. The idea behind this is that the student would return to the skills audit at a later date and hope to have improved their results. From within the personal PDP, there are links back to any section within the website and again back to the My PDP section. Once the skills audits are complete, the next section that the student is expected to complete is the goal setting section. The results from the skills audit can be used to help decide specific goals. These could be for the coming month, semester, year, and so on. We've provided spaces for the date to be achieved by, comments, and category. These are not mandatory, and each of the columns includes a title tip to help the student understand the type of information that is required. Next is the journal entries. Each page provides a general entry space and specific domain spaces. The last section is evaluation. This is where the student is expected to bring together all of the information collected and write an evaluation. That covers the main features within the system. One of the other issues with Campus Pack includes the inability to limit which areas of the page can be edited. Hopefully this will be included with future releases. However, if a student were to accidentally delete content within a page, each page includes a history button, which can be used to revert back to an older version of the page. Thank you for your patience with the technical issues experienced during the presentation. If you'd like to be added to the pilot system, then please email me sarah.grayston@stir.ac.uk. Thank you.